I'm at 1080 Crescent Street, which is right off the extension and gets you anywhere in a snap.
Ash, that was quick, but can we get back to our newest listing?
Sure. Cut your commute in half by living here.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow offers a detached garage. Let's go check it out.
Come on. Check out this backyard. Whether you're grilling, having a fire, or tinkering in the garage, this is an oasis. This house is the whole package and it's not gonna last.
I'm TJ Oystrick.
And I'm Ashley Bruder with the Oystrick Team.
As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you at the next house.
See ya.